my name is Cassie, and I think we're gonna do these questions on the board. And Mommy gonna ask. Mommy, go.
First question. What is one thing that make you really happy in 2025?
Spending time with my family.
Oh. Number 2. What are you most thankful for from 2025?
Most thankful,
Mm-hmm.
my family being healthy, and for I be meeting my new friends.
Oh. Number 3. What is something new you learned in 2025?
I learned. I don't know.
Did you learn any trick or
Oh,
any drawing style?
we actually drawing style.
And then about
Look at
doing
that.
the beads. Something like that. So that is the thing that you learned in 2025. Next question is, was there something hard last year that you were able to do anyway?
Making
Anything
new
hard?
friends.
Okay.
LHN.
Because we transferred to a new house, right? Okay, that's good. And then, if you could pick one favorite memory from 2025, what would it be?
One memory from 2025.
Mm-hmm.
I think that would be spending time with my cousins, my little brother and my.
Ate. Very good. Now we're moving forward to year 2026. My first question would be, what is one thing you are excited to do or learn in 2026?
More reading.
More reading? What else? More travel?
Yeah, I want to travel.
What do you want to discover this year?
You
Because
already.
mommy,
Oh, I did. That one was travel, and then this one should be reading.
what
Starting to
what
go
exactly do
insane.
you want to do that mommy knows about it that hopefully we can do in 2026?
Travel.
Go
Go where?
the one that
People
you want to ride
soaring up.
zip line.
Zip
Yeah,
line.
you want to do zip lining, right? And
Ah,
then next one is, what is one goal you have for school this year?
reading.
Reading and more
Reading math. Answering math.
answering math. Oh. Next question is, how will you try to be a better student in 2026?
Being better at math.
Oh,
I
and
guess
then
that's what
another
I've
question
answered.
is, how will you try to be a better friend in 2026?
2026, how to be
A better friend.
a better friend, giving them gifts
What else?
or answering good answers or something.
Or listening to them when they have problems. Okay. How about being better as a
About
daughter?
spending money.
Spending money? Wala pa
Oh,
spending money.
totoo.
Oh, karon sa
Saving.
better daughter sa to mommy and daddy. What are you going to do?
Clean the house
Clean the house?
or chores.
Do household
Yeah,
chores?
that one's better.
Okay.
Clean.
Sige. The next question is there something you want to save money for?
Mini boss.
Binibos. Oh. And the last question
Well,
is,
I want to buy a squishmallow, or I could buy one of the toys there that I can like play with.
okay.
Because na naman ko 1,100.
Oh, very good. See? And then the last question is, what message do you want to tell yourself for 2026?
I will try my best.
To be good at everything?
Yee! Not
Okay.
everything, just kind of some.
Oh, thank
Thank
you,
you.
Cassie.
Bye!